Welcome to the Global Gaming Business Supplier Showcase. We're here with Chloe Lee from Vaask, the really innovative company that's done a great job at putting out this great hand sanitizer. Chloe, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. Excited to be here.
So you work with a lot of the architects in the casinos and the hospitality field, and really, this product is designed to work in all kinds of settings. Why is this such an effective hand sanitizing solution for casinos in particular?
Well, Vaask was actually designed with casinos in mind. These are very high touch, high traffic areas, and Vaask just helps demonstrate to the public that you're making it safe to return to your venue. Our units can be prominently placed while also fitting in with the look of your space.
So, Chloe, Vaask is very customizable. How do you work with architects to put them in these different situations and the different surfaces you can have on it?
So they are fully customizable. We can color match. We have a variety of metal platings that we offer. We can even add any graphic or logo to the base plate. As you can see here, we can even mimic textures such as marble or wood.
I see the light on there, and you can see that from across the room. What's the function of that light?
It's a nice display with different modes that you can use right here with this button on the inside. Okay. As you can see, we have warm white light and blue light. We can also customize the light any color that you would like, but these are the base colors.
Okay.
I personally like this motion. But it will also alert you when your unit is running low or empty, or if it needs maintenance. It shows you, it notifies you visually, and you'll be able to see it from afar.
Okay, so it's simple to maintain it, of course. Can you show us how you remove the container in there with the hand sanitizer?
As I mentioned before, our cartridges are non-proprietary, so you can refill with any gel sanitizer. You just take it out,
okay,
unscrew this, and refill with any gel sanitizer that you would like. For buildings such as casinos, where you might have many units and many people using them, we recommend getting an extra cartridge so you can refill in one area and just swap them out as you go around. That would take less than 5 seconds.
So the architects we talked to thought it would look better recessed into a wall, but that's not the only way you can mount it, correct?
Yes, we do offer a variety of options. Vaask makes it easy to place the unit wherever you would like. Mm-hmm. So it can be recessed, it can be mounted in an ADA compliant wall bracket, mm-hmm. or we have a freestanding pedestal that you can place anywhere within 8 feet from an outlet.
Okay, and I'm assuming your clients have put it in a lot of places, certainly in the restrooms, but maybe in the lobby when they come in, that kind of thing.
Yeah, of course. We always recommend targeting high-touch areas in the flow of traffic, like outside of restroom, the lobbies, by entryways, elevators.
Sure. Okay. I like how again, there's no drip. Your hands just catch it, and if your hands miss it, you got a place on the bottom that catches it.
Absolutely. We do have a drip tray, but we also have a infrared laser sensor. The other ones that you've seen use a flashlight, infrared flashlight, so it just goes by how bright your hand is. But ours, it's a laser sensor, so it goes by the speed of light. If you see here, as I put my hand in and out, it doesn't set it off.
Right. Okay.
You have to really keep your hand there for it to dispense. It also has a few features to prevent any drip. Like if you leave your hand there, it will only dispense once and it'll shut off until you leave it alone. And, if you keep messing with it, also it'll shut off until you leave it alone, and then it'll turn on just as normal.
Right. It's so modern and sleek looking. How did you, when you went to design this, was that the idea to make it look like it was part of the architecture basically? Our
founder John, he noticed, as we all did during the pandemic, that suddenly we had temporary hand sanitizer dispensers everywhere, and
right.
Especially, other countries have done it. We should have had these before. And John basically tried to figure out a way that we can keep these around after the pandemic too.
Sure.
This model, it's supposed to resemble a sink and faucet. You can tell with the arms.
Sure. Right. Yeah. It's got that look and feel, and it's just very attractive. And as a matter of fact, it's won a lot of awards. Correct?
Yes. We've definitely won a lot, such as like the Red Dot Product Award. We can find a whole list of them. I think it's around 20 now.
Yeah. Well, it's really very attractive, and you spoke before a meeting of architects, and what did they take away from your speech?
I think everyone is happy to find a not temporary option
Right.
that actually looks good
Yeah.
and it's functional and lasts a long time. I think with all the temporary options that you stick on a wall, they don't work that long.
Sure. Right.
Nice to have a permanent one that's meant to stick around and
Yeah.
provide hygiene.
And again, you can have it in all sorts of places. As you mentioned at the elevator, I mean, that's where whenever people are touching things, they think maybe I need a hand sanitizer, and if you have that there it is. It's a great customer service item.
Yes, of course, especially in casinos. There are a lot of buttons and knobs and stuff, but also, people snack. I'm
Yeah.
sure
Yeah.
before you go from a button to your food.
Right. Yeah. Well, I was just in a casino today where it's a relatively new casino, but it's bright and clean above all. And the GM was telling me that his customers value safety and cleanliness the most. So if you put this out there, where your customers can see it and use it, that's got to be a great reflection on your property.
Exactly. Since the pandemic, we've all had a big change in awareness about hygiene, and
Right.
it's something that people are looking for more now.
Yeah, and I can actually see this on the wall of people coming out of the employee area, so that they come back to their table or wherever their workstation is, with clean, sanitized hands. Well, Chloe, thanks for the time. This was a really incredible product. We're really pleased to partner with you guys to get the word out. And we know you're going to be at G2E, and that's going to be a very exciting time for you because you're going to get some great reactions, I'm sure.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for the GGB Gaming Supplier Showcase, our exclusive look at the best products and services produced by vendors for the gaming, iGaming, and sports betting industries. For more information about the GGB Supplier Showcase, contact Terry Brady at tbrady@ggbmagazine.com.